Here we go again. Here's the sequel to the last blizzard. This is just the beginning of it. Supposedly by tomorrow morning it's supposed to be like 2 feet. So I'll bring you the exclusive in the morning as I walk out to shovel my yard. Drive from New York. Another blizzard 2026. Let's see if it rivals any of the 90s storms. I grew up here, so I'm not hashtag New York. I'm very much native New Yorker. So we'll see if this compares to blizzard of 96 or not. Well, here's the update. It's not dark yet, and the snow is. So, yeah, looks like it's gonna be pretty messy quick once the midnight hour comes. And